Hey guys, it's Mutosaurus, and welcome to a random video, and it's gonna be on how to terraform a planet in Universe Sandbox. For some of you people that have Universe Sandbox on, PC, cause, well, Universe Sandbox is, of course, exclusive to PC. But yeah, if you guys never heard of this game, then go look at my little Universe Sandbox 2 news, and you'll see some bits in the beginning of that video. Anyway, that we're gonna be terraforming a planet and how to do that. First, all you need is a star, cause your planet needs to orbit a star, and you need a star that has a zone, which a habitable zone. See these colors, the red, green, and blue? That is the hot zone, the habitable zone, and the cold zone. And this is, the hot zone is the area that Mercury and Venus were located. And now all you need is a planet to terraform. Let's see, let's do Kepler 69c. Let's zoom into it. Basically, that you can make a planet in the hot and cold zone habitable, but it has to do something with this, which that's what we're going to do. And sorry you can't read that, but it says average abalobo. I don't know how you pronounce that, honestly. If you want to see a little bit better, click here and go to flashlight. There you go. Now let's fully begin. You need the correct size for the planet. You can terraform a planet with 6 masses the Earth, but you had to change the density, cause the density controls the surface temperature. So, make that 1 mass the Earth and have the density of 5.51. And as well, you need a rotational period of 1 days. And as well, have the orbitable period in 1 year. And now that Kepler is a little bit closer to the sun, well, not that close. Kepler was right here, and now, thanks to this, it is zoomed over here, and now that's the spot that would be orbiting. And as well, it's in the same location as our Earth. And as well, that you could do this in some planets, but you can change the colors. Let's give it some blue grassland, or maybe something like this. Give it some white and some orange. Why not that? Next up is the iron. You need that of 24%. You got iron, silicate, water, and hydrogen, which hydrogen is not going to do anything. And see this Earth similarity? It's 97.7%. So what that means is that it's started to get Earth-related every time you do this. And now the magnetic sphere, because your planet needs a magnetic field, have that 2.57, or you can make it in any size. Click here, and that's its magnetic field. And of course, our Earth has a magnetic field. Venus and Mars doesn't, because solar wind came around and left them in the dark. Anyway, let's go to temperature. And this is where you can make the atmosphere. So, click here, and I'm sorry you could barely see that. Click in Mars ATM and make it 204. And see the surface pressure, it's 98.1%. So if I change the density a little bit, it's now 1.31 ATM. So yeah, make it the right density if you want to make your planet habitable. You need to get out and go back in if you want to remove the clouds and atmosphere. And as will the average below, make that to 1.00% and do 15.3 degrees Celsius. And now the planet should be in perfect temperature to give it water. Okay, add some water. Sure, that looks like a problem, but we do something like this. Yeah, there you go. There you go, it's showing some water. Just in case you can't really see that, let's put in some black so you can see a little better. You see it now? Kepler 629c is now terraformed. And you can do this with planets, moons, and as well Manor. Get the atmosphere and clouds back. And if you want your habitable world to have visible clouds, sorry about that, type in the word Earth in, and I hope you see a little bit better. Now start to form some more visible clouds. So yeah, that's how you terraform a planet. Oh, one more thing. If you want to give your planet seasons, tilt it just a little bit, because that's how our planet have seasons, and hopefully I could explain that in a different video. So yeah, that is about it. Oh, let's change it back to there. So yeah, guys, that is really it for this video. I just want to do it because I think it'll be a very cool video to post. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and have a nice day.